Emakhosini bantwana bethongo Thokozani Qamaku Ndawuwe Lesedi Khanya. So guys, nisahleli no Gogo Patricia Ntombi Endala Nkosi yami. So today sizokhuluma ngokuthi what do you need to do before uthatha uthi wena uyo consult. You understand? Because now we having ama situation noma izimo umuntu afika athi you know what, I went to consult, I was not lo muntu akakwazanga ukungihlolela. Then you like, yeah, mina nginamandla, mina idlozi lami likhulu, mina angihloleleki kalula. No, child, sometimes it's not that, you know. And kwesinye isikhathi uhambe uye kumelaphi, ubahambe futhi abawu20 abawu10. Umuntu ahamba umelaphi oyi1 into zakhe zithi wena ubahambe bonke kungakhanyi nje. Yabona? So we must go back to the basics. Go back to the basics. I know ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi uma usenkingeni nkosami, you stressed out, you looking for solutions, you are sana patient, so jahile wena. Right? So my word of advice is, first thing that you need to do uma uyo consult, you need to go emsamo wakho, le ndawo okhuleka kuyona, your altar. Ukhanyisa ikhandlela elimhlophe, right? Tell snave ubabuza abantu abadala uthi Thokozani, or whichever candles you are given, because abanye ba prefer those that they are given or anything else, depending on which stage you at. So uyababikela ukuthi hayi abantu abadala kunogogo nje engimbone ku TikTok or engimbone ku YouTube, igama lakhe uNtombi kayise Gogo Patricia, whoever. Then you like ngicela ningihloleleni yena, ningibhekele yena ukuthi umuntu onjani. Yabo? Ngoba nginesifiso, awuthi ngiyaya, uthi nginesifiso sokuthi ngiyohlola into zami, into yenza ukuthi ngiyohlola abantu abadala ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi mina umsebenzi awuhlali, noma izingane ziyagula umsebenzi uyahliphika, mina nginabantu abadala kodwa amaphupho awacaci. Like, you must say what you want to go consult for. You must at least do that 3 days, 3 consecutive days. Once you're done, with pleasure, you can go consult. Already, if your people approve that person, mawufika lapha uzofika nje into zakho futhi ngeke astruggle nokukuhlolela, izizochuma zithi impendulo zithi phela ukhumbula ukuthi umelaphi, it's not me. Mina ngisumelaphi, guys. Hey, mina ngibona indaba zabantu. Hey, mina anginalutho mina. Kodwa the gift inside of me, abantu engihamba nabo. That's why when you consult a person, mabafuna ukukubonisa ukuthi girl, you bona yithi we have power, uzothi uyamhlolela umuntu indaba zakhe azithi, uthi uyamhlolela nje udidane. So isipho akusesakho. So my people and your people will meet in the spirit, bavumelane. Then mawufika kimi, we connect, then ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngikuncede. Simple as ABCD. Kwabanye uba nenhlanhla, mina ngaba nenhlanhla ke. I remember this one time I was planning to go consult to this famous Instagram person. Let me not say the gender. This famous Instagram person, I need to uyazi ngalezo inkathi I was panicking. I was like, I want answers. And I remember I just sent the person a WhatsApp to be like, hi, I'd like to book a consultation. How much is your consultation? Send message. I send a message. After sending the message, something yangibamba ngisemotweni ngibhakile, yangibamba yathi qifi, ngalala emotweni flat. Immediately ubuthongo mabungibamba kuvela isalokazi sifake esiphike siyelo neduke liyelo lithi uyapi uyo consult aphi, lento uyibonayo ku Instagram nalezo ithombe ezinhle lezo ubuthandazelo obubonayo lapho akusiyikho, musuku singcolisa sifuna ukuya lapho. Ngaphapha. So from that day I realized ukuthi wena kwesinye isikhathi uzothi uthi uyangena kanti wena usucabana nezidalwa zakho because awazi ukuthi lo muntu uthwele wena mawungena nje akungcolise or akuphi and yabona mawungabalalela abantu abadala bazokuyeka they'll be like okay wena awulaleli go ufike bakuphambanisela izinto bese umuntu athi idlozi wayelivuma ukuthi balithwebula idlozi wayelivuma ukuthi bangivalele izinto no it's because you're not listening. They do speak to you. Sometimes they speak with you with intuition. Yabo. Simple as ABCD. This one time I wanted to consult and I made an appointment with that one. Made an appointment. Makufanele ngiphume ngithi ngistart imoto egarage, imoto ayifuna ukustart. Hayibo, imoto ngipake kahle last night. Imoto ine petrol. Yonke into right, ibattery okay, boof on point. I go to my neighbor cause bengithi so baba next door yakithi ulungisa imoto. I'm like, ngicela uzongilungisela ungicheckele ukuthi kuyenzakalani. Uthi hayi imoto right. Ngavela ngathi hayi yazi iyeke ngayolala mina. Ngalala. Following day mangithi ngistart imoto. Na yastarta brr. And kuthi the day it's ingafuna ukustart amakhole ngiwathole lapha kuthi hey girl are you still coming we waiting for you hey ngathi yazi this is a sign ukuthi abantu abadala bathi awuyi lapho right then after lapho few days later uyenza ivideo hayibo into bekazisho ngathi no wonder idlozi lami belithi girl awuyi lapho because bayabona ukuthi no child we told you ukuthi thina kuwena siyazenzela and bazofika abantu bazozama ukuconvince ukuthi ayikho lento le ukuthi idlozi liyazenzela bazofuna ukukise ephehlweni bayenzeni hey wenza uvideo umuntu wathi ayikho lento le ukuthi abantu hey wenza ivideo hey ngathi yo good thing angiyanga Thixo ngoba bekayongibhula amanga yabo bekayongibhula amanga noma bekayozama ukungiconvince ngimangale nami sengene ephehlweni angazi ukuthi ngene kanjani ngathi andizi so guys learn to listen to idlozi lakho learn to listen to itsonga lakho abantu abadala they will never bakulahle if there's one thing I know they will never because you need them and they need you as much as you need them literally even when you phahla you like bantu abadala ngicela ningavumi abathakathi bawine abafuna ukungibulala bawine ngoba ukufa kwami ukufa kwenu yabo angithi nina nihleli kule nyama so musani mangabe abantu bangithela ngeichitho mina ngizongqola so ukungqola kwami kungcola nina ngoba yimini umsamo ophilayo ene nina niphila kimini egazini you understand so you must learn to communicate nabantu bakho abantu bakho will never leave you nor forsake you trust you believe in me that is only if you listen and you pay attention to your dreams you pay attention to your intuition you pay attention to your surroundings sometimes uzothuthi uyaphuma iweather iveli shintshe kuduma izulu lithi boo or uthuthi kube ne accident phambi kwakho something will happen that will say no isign le khona into engekho right le awuthi ngihlehle you understand so you must connect to your inner you yabo you must connect to your inner self so you must phahla guys ngitshela amadlozi wenu before you go nibaceleni ukuthi ngicela banilekelele because ayikho into ebhlungu njengokuthi ukhiphe imali ongenayo you don't have a job you're struggling then uyokhipa u500 300 250 woconsulta uyithatha leyo mali ayikho so consulting is actually seeking answers so what's better than spending money to go consult or ngilayita ikhendlela ngibabuze lembuzo enginayo lebe bazongitshela yona lemanyo consultant ngibabuza yona baze ngobuthongo bazongiphendula at least I will know ukuthi what I got directly from my sisters, because loya angikho sure ukuthi wayezicabangela or kwakenze njani or besikabhemile ubhemiso or besika angazi somewhere lapho andazi, kodwa ke kunjalo. Don't forget ke bantwana bethonga to comment, share my videos, yeah, like, subscribe. Emakhosini, ngiyabonga abantu abadala.